All right, I know I say don't live off beans and rice for your food storage when you can make amazing foods that are freeze dried. But in saying that, sometimes beans or rice actually sounds good. I've been craving some homemade refried beans. So in the crock pot today, I have some pinto beans and onions and garlic and cumin and garlic, salt, and pepper seasoning. And we're gonna let it cook on high for a couple hours, then low for the rest of the day until dinner time. We'll make up some good refried beans for some easy burritos and tacos tonight for dinner. So if you do live off beans and rice in your food storage, make sure you know how to cook them and make them amazing. And definitely add seasonings to your food storage because plain beans, not so good. Beans with garlic and onions and sauce and all the fixings, the best.